Hello everyone, today we're comparing two budget gaming monitors, the Lenovo Legion R24E and the LG UltraGear 24G65F. They both rock a 180Hz refresh rate. Let's see which one wins. Both monitors share a lot in common. They're both 24-inch screens with full HD resolution. Both have IPS panels and 180Hz refresh rate, a 1 millisecond response time. They support both G-Sync and FreeSync plus HDR10. So far, pretty even. The Lenovo Legion R24E is super affordable. It costs around $60 to $90 depending on where you buy it. You get thin bezels, good color with 99% sRGB coverage, and it has a full adjustable stand. You can tilt it, lift it, pivot it, and swivel it however you want. It comes with both HDMI and DisplayPort cables. The downside, it's built with plastic, so it feels a bit cheap, and some users reported light bleed around the edges. No built-in speakers either. The LG UltraGear 24GS65F costs about $180, which is double the price, but you get better build quality and a cleaner design with almost no bezels on three sides. The stand adjusts just like the Lenovo with tilt, height, and pivot options. Colors are great with 99% sRGB, and it includes gaming features like dynamic action sync and black stabilizer to help you see enemies in dark areas. It has two HDMIs instead of one, which is handy if you switch between devices. Like the Lenovo, there is no speakers. Gaming performance is really similar on both. You get smooth gameplay with no screen tearing thanks to the 180Hz refresh rate. Both handle fast games like shooters and racing games really well. The differences are so small, most gamers won't notice. So, which one should you buy? If you're on a tight budget, the Lenovo Legion R24E is a steal. You get amazing performance for the price, but if you want better build quality, extra features, and a cleaner look, the LG UltraGear is worth the extra money. Both are solid choices. That's it. Let me know which one you'd pick in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.